Check this out, y'all. Unfortunately, my said air conditioning unit went out. This the new junk right here. I was just gonna get the air conditioning unit, but the folks told me might as well get the handler too, which is right here, because it's 25 years old. Air conditioner should have a lifespan 10 to 15 years. January, this thing gonna be 25 years old. So, I'm gonna show you how to make a box, because right here is where the air gonna come out and go into the house. And the one I currently got now, it's gonna come up too long. So I'm gonna have to chop some off. It's gonna come up too long, so I'm gonna chop some off. Wait a minute. And when I chop it, I'm gonna have to make this size box to fit I can't explain it, what's up there already. So when I chop it, it's not the same size. So I'm gonna show you how to bend a new piece to make your own. And this is what I got. This is what I got. I went to my little local store right there. Got this galvanized junk. And I'm gonna have to make a box. So I'm gonna have to unconstruct this to reconstruct it to something new. Alright. Right here is together. This is have to pull that apart. This stuff is sharp, so it'll cut you. What we're gonna do is straighten it back out a little bit. So got myself a rubber mallet. And I got a straight edge over here. Press it down. Psych. Somebody might like that. And there you have it. Flat piece.
Hi, you are currently being
Flat. Now I'm going to take it to the other side. Okay, this is what I did. On the side that I want to bend down, I put a mark. I measured my handler 5 1/4. Let me see if you can see this line right here. Can you see the dot right there? 5 1/4 from this piece to the end on both sides. So like divided, 5 1/4 on each side. And I did the same thing on the other end. Okay, now I want to do, I'm gonna take, if I can find it, my straight edge here. All right. And I'm gonna draw, this gonna square me up right here. See his little tail hanging down? It's gonna line up, and I'm gonna make sure this side is equal to that side. It's gonna stretch from side to side. I'm gonna draw me a line on both ends. All right. See the lines on each side? 5 1/4. And like I said, that's gonna be on the side you're gonna bend down. So now what I'm gonna do is get my snips. some 10 snips. And on each end of each line, just put me like just a little snip. Just gonna help me bend. Just a little snip on each side. This side can be a little deeper because it's got all this other extra. All right, back to the workbench, work trailer, whatever you want to call it. And what we're gonna do, got a flat surface here. That line gonna go across, and you want to bend it right on the line. Simple as that. Let me get my mallet wherever it went to. Alright. Line both sides up to where you want to bend. Bend one end first. Go to the other side. Bend it. It'll give you a meeting point. Put your little pressure and bend. I'm gonna continue this process to the other side. Alright, there you got it. Alright, we're gonna go to the handler. Well, let's get them up straight. And take your little piece here. Watch.
Hi, you are
That is how you do
currently
that
recording.
with no special tools. I mean, you got some kind of special tools, but that ain't special. Like professional tools. So let's say that with no professional tools, like you gotta have this for this, that for that. I got another piece. I think it's gonna come up short, y'all. I might have to add something to each side. All right, boom. Yeah. I'm about 1.5 inches short. So I'm gonna have to do some kind of ingenuity, but this video ain't about that. This video about showing you how you can bend your own piece if you need bending a piece that you won't have the tools and all. You think that it's gonna be difficult. You know it's a difficult responsibility. And what we got here, let's see. See my little space right here? I can make that work with some AC tape, but I'm gonna do something special with it. All I gotta do is go get another piece of this and cut out one of the little slivers, which I'm fixing to go buy that now. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
I'm gonna cut out, can you see it? This piece right here. When you saw me in the beginning pull it apart, I'm gonna cut that out and it's gonna attach to here. Then I'm gonna cut out the piece that I need. Then I'm gonna put some self-tapping screws on here. Then I'm gonna cover it up with AC tape. We have a perfect box. Just pray your AC don't go out, y'all. Y'all, I really don't think this is rigid enough. I thought it would be with these lines right here. But when I got it put together, which see the piece I told you I was gonna cut out. and it's kind of see this noise it make. I'm gonna have to take a screen installer. It's got a little, it's like a roll wheel, look something like a piece of cutter. And I'm gonna lay this down on something soft, maybe like carpet or something. And I'm just gonna go across, and across make an X in the middle. So when the air conditioner come on, it won't be making no noise. It'll stabilize it. Okay, y'all. Here's the old unit. As you can see, that's old 10 seer. They don't like to ship 10 seer units to the south. They made more for somewhere up northern where it don't have to do so much work. So there's some numbers that goes together with like this in the handler. And this one ain't, this one here is this unit actually was installed in 2006. This unit was installed January 2000. So in January, this unit will be 25 years old. Now, that's straight air conditioning. This is a heat pump. Heat pumps almost like double their age because a heat pump work, this whole unit here, it works in the summer and the winter. So it don't get a season off. See what I'm saying? It works summer, winter. With this dude here, just work during the summer. Now, I just installed this right here. This is a disconnect. It's got your 220 line going in, and it's come out with this whip. Then this whip gonna connect to the new unit. And why I'm showing you this is because I'm trying to tell you. See this right here? This is a Mars model 8390 surge protector. And what it does is, if any kind of surge come through, like real bad, cause I done seen some online where it actually blew up. And it stopped the unit from getting fried. The compressor, the board, everything was all intact. The only thing was wrong was the surge protector blew up. Now they could take a hit, I heard, they never dealt with it. They could take a hit and keep going, but that hit that one took that blew up, the transformer blew right by the house and it messed up people's air conditioning all the way through. That's what I heard. But I'm gonna put another one next to it one day to protect this unit. And I'm looking into getting a whole house surge protector that I might put in over here. It's either gonna be here or I'm gonna go upstairs and put it in the actual generator box. I gotta see which one that'll like do the main of the main of the main. So it's gonna either be this box or the one upstairs, but it's gonna be a whole house surge protector. But this video was mainly to tell you how to do the bending of the box without having all those special tools.